Balanced chemical equation inspection method. Balancing chemical equation can be done using two methods. The first one is inspection method and the second one is ion-electron method. Inspection method is used to balance chemical equation like this, while ion-electron method is used to balance redox equation. For example, like this. Dalam redox equation, kebiasaannya kita akan jumpa ion ada charge. By using inspection method, we will balance all the atoms in the equation. While by using ion-electron method, we are not only balance all the atoms, but we also balance the charge. We have two types of ion-electron method. The first one is in acidic medium and the second one is in basic medium. Dalam video ni, we will focus on inspection method only. We will discuss on ion-electron method in next video. Inspection method, example 1. Ammonia NH3 react with copper 2 oxide CuO to produce copper metal Cu, nitrogen gas N2 and water H2O. Write balanced chemical equation for the reaction. First, we write all the reactants and products. NH3 and CuO are the reactants, while Cu, N2 and H2O are the products. Di sebelah kiri, anak panah on the left is reactant. Di sebelah kanan, anak panah on the right is the product. To balance this equation, we will start with metal element. In this equation, the metal element is copper. We have one copper on the left and we also have one copper on the right. So copper already balanced. Next, we balance the non-metal element. In this equation, non-metal element is nitrogen. We have one nitrogen on the left, but we have two nitrogen on the right, so this is not balanced. So kita kena tambah 2 in front of NH3 dekat sini. The last one, balance hydrogen and oxygen. We have 6 hydrogen on the left because H3 and we have 2 in front of NH3. But we have 2 hydrogen on the right, so this is not balanced. To balance, we must add 3 in front of H2O so that hydrogen on the right also becomes 6. For oxygen, we have 1 oxygen on the left, but we have 3 oxygen on the right. So to balance oxygen, we must add 3 in front of CuO. When we put 3 in front of CuO, so amount of copper berubah. Now we have 3 copper on the left, but 1 copper on the right. So to balance copper, we must add 3 in front of Cu. Now this equation already balanced, so we can check this equation. Nitrogen atom, we have 2 nitrogen atom on the left and we also have 2 nitrogen atom on the right, balanced. Next we have hydrogen. We have 6 hydrogen on the left and also we have 6 hydrogen on the right. Next is copper. We have 3 copper on the left and we also have 3 copper on the right, balanced. The last one is oxygen. We have 3 oxygen on the left and also we have 3 oxygen on the right. So bila amount yang belah reactant dan amount yang belah produk ni sama, that means equation kita balance. Metal, non-metal, hydrogen dan oksigen ini hanya panduan sahaja. Yang penting equation yang kita cuba buat ni balance. Example 2. Ethane C2H6 is burned completely in excess oxygen O2 to produce carbon dioxide CO2 and water H2O. Write balanced chemical equation for the reaction. First, write all the reactants and product. We have 2 carbon on the left, but we have 1 carbon on the right. So to balance carbon, we put 2 in front of CO2. We have 6 hydrogen on the left, but we have 2 hydrogen on the right. So to balance hydrogen, we put 3 in front of H2O. we have 2 oxygen on the left, but we have 7 oxygen on the right. Kenapa 7? Because dekat CO2 ni, 2 times 2 dah ada 4 oxygen dekat situ. Dekat H2O ni, kita ada 3 oxygen, so 4 plus 3, that means we have 7 oxygen on the right. So tak balance. So, untuk menjadikan oksigen di sebelah kiri ni pun 7 juga, so kita akan letak 7/2. Now the equation already balanced. Let's check. For carbon atom, we have 2 carbon on the left and we also have 2 carbon on the right. Hydrogen, we have 6 hydrogen on the left and also we have 6 hydrogen on the right. For oxygen atom, 2 ni kita cancel out dengan 2 ni, so that means we have 7 oxygen on the left and also we have 7 oxygen on the right. So this equation already balanced. Thank you for watching.